Good morning everyone. So today we're here in Siquijor. We arrived here yesterday. It was about like an hour ferry drive from Bohol, just going down south. The ferry was about, I think, $15 per person. We did it with Ocean Jet. We've always been using that company so far as the ferry between different islands. So the place we're staying at here is called Shila's Guest House. I'll show you around a bit. So you can see here, really nice area. Got cool little hammocks. Take you inside quickly. So it's pretty simple but nice. Got a nice bed here, AC, and yeah, that's about it really. So this place was just $15 a day, so might actually be the nicest place we've stayed so far on this trip. $15. It seemed like a lot of the places here were a bit more expensive. So we got 2 days here to explore now. We're just gonna have breakfast and then explore the island. It is very small. It's actually the third smallest province here in the Philippines, so it doesn't take much to get around the island. So yeah, we're gonna check it out now. Once again, we got our scooter and my trusty driver. So we were able to rent a scooter here at our guest house, just like the other place we stayed in Bohol, but here was 250 pesos, so it's around $5, $3 cheaper than in Bohol. Trying to head to a really nice beach called Kangusuan Beach, but when we got to the road it was closed. No idea why. Just right next to it we found this other beach here that's, yeah, really beautiful. I mean, check this out. Nobody here at all. I don't even know the name of this beach. Even on Google Maps it doesn't show a name, so yeah, we've just come to some like really random, empty, beautiful beach. A town or place nearby is called Minalulan, so I don't know if this is called Minalulan Beach, not sure. It's not very sandy though, even though it's very white, it's all like coral, so yeah, I've got to wear like flip-flops to get in the ocean probably. Let's check it out. Actually, here's a really nice sandy area. So it's funny, in any other country this would be like a paradise beach that everybody goes to or something, but I guess just because Philippines has so many beautiful beaches like this, white beaches, that this is just, yeah, just another random beach. Along the front there's loads of little huts and stuff, so it seems to be more where like locals live. I guess that's why there's not many people here. It is a Sunday as well, so it's not busy today. I guess it never gets busy here. And yeah, this kind of looks like almost the same as the kind of beaches we went to in Panglao, in Bohol. Water and the sand's pretty much the same, not that much different. So yeah, it's a good find. Good find, Carol. Beautiful, shiny, right? Nice. This place looked pretty awesome in those drone shots, all the different mixtures of the corals making different colors. And when I was flying the drone, I noticed that one of the far corners of the beach, it looked like there was no corals at all. It would really clear the water, so we're just headed down here now. You can see it's this part here. So it looks a lot clearer here, the ocean. The local said this part of the beach is called Monkey Beach. We're just gonna chill out at this spot a bit now. Monkey Beach. Got some interesting trees here. I think these are the roots, I'm not sure. Big group of them all along here. So that's why it looks so clear. The water here is just so shallow. You can just keep walking and walking. Never really gets deep. You can see the coast all the way over there. So we've now come to another attraction, which is called Century-Old Ballet Tree and Fish Spa, I think. So it looks like there's all these fish that give your feet a massage, and over here we have the century-old tree. Huge tree. No, it's good. Man, the big ones. Ow! This one's trying to eat me. How's it feel, Carol?
Weird.
So we're finished having our foot massage right now. What did you think of it?
It's nice. It's funny.
Yeah, it's just funny. The big one was literally trying to eat me. Like, it didn't feel like a massage. It felt like he was trying to bite my toe off or something. Still pretty funny though. And that was only 10 pesos, which is like 2 cents. So yeah, pretty good massage for the price. And now we've actually come to the restaurant. There's a restaurant in this place, so we're just gonna eat here now. So I think I'm gonna get the garlic cup of rice. That's just under $1. And I'm gonna get a banana shake, which is like $2 US. And also steamed fish, which is like $4. So the food was pretty good in that place. And now we're gonna be heading to Kapilai Spring Park, because it's really hot at the moment, and yeah, I've heard that's a pretty good place to cool down.
How is it?
Very cool. I thought there'd be more people here though.
Yeah, there's only you and kids.
Me and a few kids. Me being a kid.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fish in there.
Yeah, I can see the fishes.
Yeah, there's one right here. You think they're gonna give us a massage?
No.
Go on, show us your beatbox skills.
Okay, but she's shy.
She's shy.
I'm just gonna turn around.
That's it.
That's it all.
Oh, that was good. She should have done it longer. What's your name?
This is Papo, the one who's a volunteer the third.
Papo.
And he's a breaker. He also break his fishing rod. And I didn't break my fishing rod. Yeah.
What about you?
And she's an artist.
Artist. Singer.
Art, sing, dance.
Do more beatbox.
No.
Don't be shy.
I'm afraid. You don't need to be shy. I'm afraid. She's your girlfriend?
My wife.
Your wife?
Yeah. Carol.
When you're gonna have a baby?
I don't know. Hey, Carol. When are we gonna have a baby? 5 years.
Wow. 5 years.
Yeah.
You're gonna be a father.
Here we go. Woo!
I say front flip, not swim.
Go ahead and show me. Front flip. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! So there you go, some more encounters with the friendly Filipino kids. Seems to happen pretty much every day here, either on or off camera. But yeah, it's pretty nice, always funny. And here's just really nice and cool. Like it's a natural spring, man-made this part, but the water is from like natural sources, a mountain. So yeah, it's really nice. How come you didn't want to go in, Carol?
I don't know, people were wearing clothes, so I didn't think it was okay to swim with my bikini.
Yeah, so let us know, Filipinos, is it okay for women to always go in places with a bikini? Like I said, we didn't know since we didn't see any other women in bikinis or anything. There's some guys here right now that are shirtless, so, but yeah, no women, so yeah, we don't know. Oh well. So we were heading back to our place and disaster struck, we got a flat tire. So we're gonna have to work out how to deal with that now. Here it is, super flat. And we're here. There was a mechanic right nearby here, but he can't fix it, so we're still screwed. So I think we have to get a tricycle to our hotel and then tell them that the scooter's stuck here. It's the only plan we got right now. Just gotta wait on this road for a tricycle. So I'm back where we started now, at Shiloh's guest house again. We did get the tricycle here, and yeah, I'm gonna have to close this video out now because obviously there's nothing else that we can really do. We don't have the moto, and it's pretty late anyway. I'm not even sure if we're going to do anything more. Yeah, so it's been an interesting day. Places were closed that we wanted to go to, but we found that amazing random place with amazing beach, and then yeah, and then this happened. So that's a travel day for you. Anything can happen really. And we didn't even do the main two touristic things today. We're going to leave that for tomorrow because since it was a weekend we thought they might be busy, so we wanted it to be a bit more quiet. So that's what's going to come up in tomorrow's video. So as always, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.